Fear floods into the market. The volatility index closes up 33% on the day. The QQQs closes down 3% for the day. And the SPY falls 2%. Crazy how much can happen in just one day. Welcome back, everybody, to High Quality Trades, the channel where I provide top-notch technical analysis of the stock market, where we go over simple support and resistance levels, trend line breaks, and pattern formations. And I give you the price targets of where price is headed in the coming days. So in today's video, we will be going over the SPY, the QQQs, and the VIX. So first up, we have the SPY on the 4-hour time frame. Today, September 3rd, the SPY closed at 552.08. It reached a high of 560.81 and a low of 549.51. We were negative 2.06% on the day. Okay guys, what is price currently doing? Well, it does look like the SPY finally filled its gap here on the 4-hour time frame. We filled at 564.26, but then the bears quickly stepped in and pushed price lower. We broke below our first support level here at 555.27, and we headed lower towards our next support level of 550.16. Ultimately forming what looks like a megaphone pattern on the 4-hour time frame. With today's price action, we did close below our descending trend line here on the charts. If we do get a full pattern completion of this megaphone, by taking the opening and moving it down, it does signal that price should fall towards the 539.91 level in the coming days. It's not for certain. This could be just a fake out, and say tomorrow if we head back up to this 555.27 level and break it as resistance, and then it turns into support, we could push higher back up to take out the highs here and then move on to new all-time highs. But I am seeing some bearish signals. If we go out onto the daily and we bring up our MACD, we are dangerously close to a bearish cross, and then we will be pushing down towards the zero line. If this happens, this would be a bearish signal that price may fall lower in the coming days. So it is crucial that the bulls try to step in at this level and push price back up. But if that doesn't happen and we fall lower tomorrow, below our 550.16 support level, there is a gap on the daily time frame that doesn't fill until around 543.88. That would be where price is most likely headed if we fall lower in the market. Okay, that's it for the SPY. Let's go over the QQQs. 4-hour time frame. So today the QQQs fell below its support of 473.81. Then we've headed down towards our next support level of 465.13. Unfortunately, we did break this level, and now we are headed down towards 458.56. If the QQQs find support at this level, we will push back up towards the 465.13 level. If we can break above this level, most likely price will be headed up to 473.81. But if we bring up the MACD on the daily time frame, we have gotten our first purple bar to produce on the histogram, and we are getting a bearish cross. So we're headed back down towards the zero line at the current moment. This is a bearish signal that price will continue falling in the market. So if at some point tomorrow we break below 458.56, well then the next support level will be down here at 452.47. It does look like the triple Qs has another gap that needs to be filled down here that doesn't fill until around 450. So if bearish price action continues in the market, this is most likely where the triple Qs are headed. Okay, that is it for the triple Qs. Let's go over the VIX. So today we gapped up on the VIX above our 1537 support level, which was unexpected. We continued moving higher on the VIX past our 1722 resistance level, and we moved even higher to the next resistance of 1888. Ultimately, I found a gap out on the daily time frame that price was pushing towards. It ended up we closed right at the gap fill. So this gap is now filled and is acting as a resistance. If we can stay below the 2198 level here, then price will fall back down towards support on the VIX, the first level being 1888, and if we broke that level we'd head back down towards 1722. But going back out to the daily time frame, there is another gap up here that needs to be filled back from when we were hitting the highs of 65. This gap on the daily time frame doesn't fill until around 3856. So if the VIX wants to push higher, the next resistance level after 2198 will be 2454, and then we could push up towards gap fill on the daily time frame. That would be bearish for the market if the VIX wants to pop off and actually come up and fill this gap. We would fall much lower in the market. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching high quality trades, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.